Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the Power Query nested if statements. So we can use multiple if statements and we can join them using the AND operator and build some logic. We'll just see how we can do that in the Power Query editor. So I'm on the Power BI desktop on the Home tab and I click on the Transform Data tab. And the moment I click on the Transform Data tab, it opens up the Power Query editor for me. So here we'll look at the product table for the sake of example. So let's say I'll just scroll to the right and I've got subcategory and category, and I'll create a custom column which gets the values from category and subcategory. So you could extend this further on to have model or any other field that you want, but we'll just use two for the sake of example. So in the Power Query editor, I'll click on Add a Column tab and then I click on Custom Column. And let's just call this new category maybe. So you can call it whatever you want, your new column. And what we can put here is, so I'll just wait and I'll say, let me just move this slightly here. So I'll say if category is equal to clothing and subcategory is equal to socks, then 1 else 2. So if the category is clothing and subcategory is socks, then you say 1, otherwise so, and I'll click OK. And what it does is, you can see it's created a column. So only when the category is clothing and subcategory is socks, it gives a value of 1. So we could extend it and add another condition where we could say and model, and if model is equal to whatever value, then. So you can easily extend this from there, but let's say I want to add another condition here. So if you wanted to add another condition, you could go here and say, so you have to say else if. So we'll just add some more conditions. So I'll just say else if, and let's just look at, so we have got clothing and caps. So if it's clothing and caps, we'll call it 2. I'll just copy the else if, and I'll say if it's clothing and it is jerseys, we'll call it 3. Then 3, else 4. So you can keep adding more and more conditions if you want. So we're building nested ifs and we are concatenating them using the AND operator. So I'll just use this and I'll hit OK. And you can see here that I've got where it's clothing and socks, it's 1. Where it's clothing and caps, it is 2. Where it's clothing and jerseys, it is 3. And everywhere else, it is 4. And if I hit close and apply, so let me just go ahead and hit close and apply. And then this new category will become available to me in the product table. So we'll have to wait for it to load the product table, which it is doing for us now. And if I hit the data tab, for the product table, I can see this new category and it is available to me and I can use it for analytics purposes. So in this video, just to recap, we've learned how to use the nested if statements and we've used the AND operator here as well to create a new column. So I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.